Hi everyone, this is me Sia. I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. Why I'm telling you in my every video that you are learning this language in a great way? Because without proper strategy we can't learn this language. So I'm sure that you always create our own strategy. Everyone they make their own strategy, but some people they are this language without strategy. That's why they think that I am not learn this language and they are quit this language. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talking about if you learn this language, so how you learn this language and which kind of strategy you follow to learn this language, and also how to increase your vocabulary. Okay, we have so many things in our like clothes, okay, but we can't use. What is this? Our mobile phone, okay, but we are not understand to how use. Okay, we always think that I don't have English partner, so how I'm learn this language. I don't have environments, how I'm learn this language. I don't have so much money to go in coaching classes, that's why I'm not learn this language. But this is not a right thing. If you learn this language, so you all only use your mobile phone and then you start your English journey. But how you use this is a very important thing. If you watch like if you run social media, so many applications available on social media, you can use it and use in proper way. Okay, watch everything in English because this is very helpful for if in your area, if children interested to learn this language, so you can teach them. And their books like 1 2 3 4 5 standards book, they are really helpful for you. Okay, because in their book their English is very easy. I am read and I am think that at the time I'm beginner. Okay, so I am think that this is a very easy for me. So when if you are a beginner, so you can read this kind of book. Okay, and also when you read, so you automatically understand. You not need to giving so much effort. Okay, and when you read, so you can read like loudly. Okay, and when you read, then first time you can read, then you are explain in your way. Okay, this is a very important thing. If you interested to watch any kind of video, so when you watch, you finish and then you explain thing in your way. What you watch, what you read. Why I am telling you? Because when you create like story in your way, so your mind understand that what is the meaning of that word. So if you learn like this, so you also increase your vocabulary. Okay, you not need to like giving effort in you not need to learn separate vocabulary. Okay, because repeating is very important. If we read like one time and then we forget it, and then if we like seen any kind of video, we listen and then we forget, we jump into other topic, we jump into other video. So if we learn like this, so we can't remember. Repeating is very important. That's why I'm telling you that if you watch any kind of video, so watch in 3 times. Okay, when you watch 3 times, so you make a strategy like a story in your way. Okay, I'm also doing like this because sometimes I'm not have a topic, and that I'm thinking that how I'm doing practice, because without practice we are not consistent with this journey. And if we forget sometime practice, so we are going to be zero when we start again. So it's very difficult for us to learn this language. Okay, so practice is very important, but sometimes what happen with us, we don't have topic. So I'm giving you topic. Okay, when you watch story, so you can explain in your way. I'm doing also like same kind of thing. Okay, I'm seeing lots of story kind of video in YouTube, so many story channel application available, so you can like seen. Okay, so that is helpful for you to learn this language. But most important thing is that learn according your interest. Okay, without interest we are not consistent with this journey. If you interested to watch story kind of video, so you can watch. If you interested to scrolling reel, so you can scrolling, but watch English content. Okay, if you interested to read books, so you can read it. Okay, 1 to 5 standard. But if you not read that kind of book, so you can read like story kind of books. Okay, I am also have story kind of book. I have Sudha Murthy book. This book is very helpful for me. This book I am read to 15 to 20 times. Okay, yes, you heard it right. Why I am reading again and again? Because I am interested. Okay, when I'm read, so I am find out something again and again. Okay, and what happened with us when I'm start first time, so I'm not understand anything. This is simple book, but I am not understand. When I'm reading again and again, so I am automatically understand that what this story I'm talking about. Okay, so my point of view is that when you read again and again, when you see again and again, so we are understand automatically. Okay, we are not giving different effort. Okay, so you are also learn like this, so this journey is going to be very easy for you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.